Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mango pickle. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of firm, unripe green mangoes, which are crucial for that perfect tangy crunch. We'll also use a blend of aromatic spices, including fenugreek, mustard seeds, turmeric, and red chili powder, to give our pickle its distinctive flavor. Don't forget about 250 milliliters of good quality mustard oil and around 100 grams of salt, plus a pinch of asafoetida for an authentic touch. Getting these ready is the first step to a delicious pickle. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the mangoes. Begin by washing them thoroughly and ensuring they are completely dry. Any moisture can spoil the pickle. Next, carefully cut each mango into small, uniform pieces, making sure to remove the hard pit. Once cut, combine these mango pieces with a generous amount of salt and a little turmeric powder, mixing everything very well. This salting process is vital, as it helps draw out excess moisture and preserves the mangoes. Let them rest for several hours or even overnight before moving to the next step. With our mangoes resting, let's prepare the aromatic spice blend and oil. Gently roast your whole spices, such as fenugreek and mustard seeds, in a dry pan until they become fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Once cooled, grind these roasted spices into a coarse powder. Next, heat your mustard oil until it just starts to smoke, then turn off the heat and allow it to cool completely. This heating and cooling process is essential, as it mellows the oil's pungency and prepares it to absorb all the wonderful spice flavors, creating a perfect base for our pickle. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for our delicious mango pickle. First, make sure to drain any liquid that has accumulated from the salted mango pieces. This is important for the pickle's longevity. Now, in a large bowl, combine the prepared mangoes with your freshly ground spices and the cooled mustard oil. Mix all these ingredients very thoroughly, ensuring every mango piece is beautifully coated. Transfer your finished pickle into clean, dry, airtight glass jars. Store these jars in a cool, dark place and allow the flavors to meld for about 2 to 3 weeks before enjoying your homemade mango pickle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.